Hi guys, in today's video we will be going through the process of installing Notepad++ in Windows 11 environment. So let's get to it. Before we get started, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please take a second and click the subscribe button so that the next time I make a similar video, you will be notified. Okay, so like I mentioned in this video, we will be going through the process of installing Notepad++ in Windows 11 environment. This will be the first of the many series that I will be releasing on popular code editors that you can use in your programming journey. Okay, so quickly before we get started, what is Notepad++? So Notepad++ is a free and open source text and source code editor for use with Microsoft Windows. So all that means is it's only available in Microsoft Windows environment, and it is a text and source code editor. Again, all that means again is you can use it to make your notes, or you can also use it to program. So you can use it to write your code. Alright guys, so let's go through the process of installing it now. So to install this tool, all you have to do is open a new tab in your favorite browser and search for Notepad++. And right here, the website that we are looking for is notepad++.org. So click this link and go to download. And we want to download the current release, so usually the current release is on top, so I will click this and download. So here your download is showing and it has completed, so I'm going to open this, and here it's asking me if I want to allow this program to make changes in my device. I will go ahead and say yes, and here I will choose my language. In this case it is English. I will leave it as English, and I will click next, agree to the license agreement, and I will leave the destination folder as default, and I will also leave this one as default. I will click next, and I want to create shortcut on my desktop. Click next, and if you see here, I've checked to run Notepad+ right after clicking finish, so I'm going to do that. So since we checked that box to run the program immediately after we finish, this is what you see. So basically this is the window editor for Notepad++. So I'm going to close this, and now that we have this tool installed, you can start using it to make your notes. You can use it to write your code, or use it for any other purpose that meets your requirements. Alright guys, so basically that is the process of installing Notepad++ in Windows 11 environment. I hope this was useful. In the next video we will be using this tool to write our first Python program in Windows 11 environment. So definitely stay tuned for that video, and again, one way of staying tuned is to subscribe to this channel. If you have not subscribed, please click the subscribe button right now. Alright guys, thank you very much. Bye bye.